So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. String from the crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Now shake into that left wrist and up to the elbow and all the way to the shoulder. And onto the right wrist, to the elbow and up to the shoulder, and then both arms together. And standing on the right leg, we'll shake into that left ankle, up to the knee and all the way to the hip. And the other side. So into that right ankle, up to the knee and to the hip. And feet back to hip width. We'll inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, sweep down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, inhale. So just make the movement as dynamic as feels good for you. Keep those knees facing forwards. We're going to cross the right leg over the left, trying to get the toes in line. Left hand to the hip, right arm reaching up. We'll inhale, exhale, lean into the left, and back to the middle. Inhale, lengthen up, exhale over, and come back. Inhale, exhale, and bring the arm down and round. I'm swapping the legs over. So left over right, reach up with the left arm, inhale, exhale, back to center, inhale, exhale, and coming back, one more, inhale, and exhale, and bring the arm down. Okay, so we're just going to work on the left hip. So you can either keep hold of the knee or take hold of the foot if you can. And just a little movement from side to side. So if this is too difficult, just keep working on the balance, holding onto the knee. So on to the other side. So again, either holding the knee or taking hold of the foot. And moving that hip from side to side. Leg down. So we're going to work on the tree pose. So standing on that right leg, you're taking that left foot to wherever you can get to. So either to the ankle, or to the calf, or to the thigh. But we keep the knee pointing outwards and the shoulders and the hips facing forwards. So just work up in your own time. So you can bring the hands to the chest, and if you want to, reaching up to the sky. Bring the hands down. On to the other side. We're just working on your tree pose. We're going to do 3 each side. So if you want to start off easier, then you can build up. Especially if you're on a windy hillside. And then we come down. So if you have just been putting the foot to the calf and you want to try and bring it into the thigh, you can always keep hold of the foot and just work on that, and then gradually see if you can take the hand away. So you always keep challenging yourself, but remember, never go to the point of pain. the other side. If you do want to try that foot to the thigh, you can either hold on to the ankle if you want to, or gradually taking the hands away. So think about pushing the inner thigh towards the foot. Sometimes that helps. And bring the arms down. So one more each side. Just wherever you can get to. So there is another style. You can take hold of the foot and come into half lotus. So it all depends on what flexibility you have in the hips and the knees. Remember, belly button squeezed in. Try and find that focus point. And we're coming down. The last one. So just wherever you're at. So just be really mindful on the knee if you do this half lotus position. You can strain the ligaments, and it is pretty difficult in 30 knot winds. So just step by step, working on your tree pose. And coming down. So standing pose, triangle pose, we'll turn that left foot 90 degrees, back foot angled in, shoulders above the hips, squeezing that front thigh. We'll inhale, exhale sideways, bring one arm down, the other one up, palms facing forwards. Inhale back to the middle, exhale, relax the shoulders, inhale, exhale sideways. Using those core muscles to stay steady and come back. Inhale first, exhale sideways. And if you can, looking up to the hand. Inhale back to center, bring the arms down, so turning the feet around. Arms shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, reach. One arm down, the other up. And back to the middle. Remember, inhale, exhale, reaching, and then bring the arms down and up. And back to the middle. Last one. Inhale, reach. And square off the shoulders. Look up to the hand and breathe. And coming back to the middle, bringing the arms down. And we'll finish with a good posture and the breathing. So feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Crown to the sky, chin parallel to the floor. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. And bringing the arms down, and we're all done.